Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Miss Mona Salah. Our lesson today for Prep 1, Unit 10, Lesson 1. This is my friend, Mr. D. He will help me in this lesson.
Hi guys, how are you? Our lesson today is about some and any. Miss Mona, why do we use some?
Okay, Mr. D. We use some if we don't know how many or how much. We use some with countable nouns. I don't know how many are there, so I say some bananas, some apples, some eggs. And also I can use some with non-countable nouns. I can say some spaghetti, some bread, and some milk.
Okay, Miss Mona. When do we use some or any?
Okay, Mr. D. We can use some in positive sentences. Look here, I put plus, means positive sentences. Like, there are some apples on the table.
I get it. Can I say some examples?
Yes, sure.
There is some milk in the bottle. There are some apples on the table. And I need some money now.
Okay, Mr. D, you can take this money with you.
What about any?
We can use any with negative sentences. Negative, I put here minus, means negative. That means I will use not. Like there is not or there isn't any water in the glass. This is number 1 with negative sentences. Number 2, in question. I can use any in the question. Is there any sugar? Is there any sugar? So, Mr. D, can you repeat? We can use any with not and question mark.
Yes, Miss Mona, it's so easy. Not and question mark.
Any with?
Not and question mark.
Excellent, Mr. D. Let's read examples. There isn't any water in the glass. Negative sentence. I haven't got any apples. Also negative. Is there any sugar available? Here is the question. Let's have some examples. There is some cake in the plate. Okay, Mr. D. Is there any cake on the plate?
Yes, there is.
There are some apples on the table. Are there any apples under the table?
No, there aren't.
Okay. There is some water in the glass. Is there any water in the glass?
Yes, there is.
If you notice some water here in positive sentence, any water in the question. Okay, to cut it short. Positive sentence, we use some or any. We use some. Excellent. What about question and negative? We use what? Not and question mark. We use what? Excellent. Any. So let's answer. I have some or any oranges. Of course, some. Very good. I have. Mr. D, answer.
Some.
Yes, some. I have some milk because it's positive. Okay. Next one. Do you have? We have question here.
Any.
Okay, any. Do you have milk?
Any too.
Yes, any. In negative, I don't have. Can I say some?
No. I don't have any oranges.
I don't have any oranges. Here I have some oranges. I don't have any oranges. And with not to, I don't have any milk.
Excellent, Mr. D.
Okay guys, it's your turn to have some practice. Choose some or any to fill in the blank. Read and answer.
Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.